Hi everyone, I am Miss Kundrat. I'm the math coach at Fort Pierce Central High School, and I'm making this video for you because I'd like to share some important information regarding testing. Now, you are all members of this Teams group because you need to pass a math test to meet graduation requirements. Now I'm going to share this screen with you. This is what we call a Concordant Scores chart. So we're going to look here at 12th grade, and I'm going to go down to math. Of course, you can earn the level 3 on your Algebra 1 end of course exam, but there are other tests that you can take to meet that graduation requirement. You can earn a 420 on your SAT, a 430 on your PSAT, a 16 on ACT, and this one here is actually new, a level 3 on the geometry EOC. So if any of you have earned a level 3 or higher on the geometry EOC, do me a favor and send me a message on Teams so I can look into that for you. And another good thing for you all, the class of 2021, is that the PERT is still allowed. And as you can see, PERT is no longer allowed after you all. You're the last group. So we will be doing the math PERT in school. I'm thinking probably toward the end of October. And for that, you need the 97. You can always go to the college and pay $10 to take it, but I'm here at school. We will do it for free. But the reason why we're waiting to do the PERT is because we are doing in-school sessions of ACT and SAT, and I would like to share that information with you. The in-school ACT, that's our first one. The cost is $42. We are giving the test October 6th, 7th, and 8th. Now, I know $42 may seem like a lot, but here's what's really, really cool about this in-school ACT test. I'm just going to look at the math part here. This 60, what that represents is if you were taking the ACT like on a Saturday, you would have 1 hour to do the math portion. Because we are doing it in school and this is non-college reportable, so this is just for graduation requirements, they're giving you triple time. So instead of 60 minutes for math, you get 180 minutes. That's 3 hours. So it's kind of a big deal. And, for the money, it may be worth it. I took this picture actually right off of Miss Gray's front board, so it may look familiar to some of you. And just to talk about concordant scores, you can earn a 19 in reading or an 18 in both English and reading, and that will satisfy your reading requirement. And then, of course, a 16 in math. If you've already met your reading requirement, then you don't have to worry about testing on Tuesday or Thursday. You would only test on Wednesday for the math session. So that's also something that's really nice about doing this in-school test. And for traditional schools, meaning you are physically coming to school, students, you will test during school hours. Again, this is 6th, 7th, and 8th. And for my school students, so virtual learners, you will actually test on those same days, the 6th, 7th, and 8th. However, you will test after school from 2:30 to 5:30, and there will be 10 or less in a testing room. So that's ACT. Now we're going to talk about SAT. So for the in-school SAT, the cost of that is $8. And it is done during school hours. It will be Wednesday, October 14th. So this is a very important date for you. $8, Wednesday, October 14th. For my school students, your testing date will be Wednesday, October 28th. And as soon as I know the times for that, I will share that information with the my school students. Now, to pay for these tests, you need to use school pay. It's schoolpay.com. If you already have an account, then you will just log in using your email that has your 56 number at stlucieschools.org, and your password is either your lunch number or your 56 number. Most of you will have to actually create a school pay account. Now, this is very, very important because the money is due for the ACT and the SAT, the in-school ones. It is due by September 30th. And I'm going to share all of these documents with you all. And this is actually, this is a how-to. So I walk you through exactly how to set up your school pay account and how to pay for it. So on that note, like I said, I will be sharing all these documents with you. I will also share with you all tips on testing and resources that will help you, like ACT practice tests, SAT practice tests. That way you all can prepare and be ready to test and meet this graduation requirement. If any of you have any questions, please send me a message on Teams. I'm looking forward to working with you all. We'll talk soon. Bye.